Okay, your Husqvarna 6370, two common problems it has is on its buttonhole mechanism and on its feed mechanism that controls your reverse, your buttonhole feed and your decorative stitches. Those parts over years get very sticky, and it just needs some good lubrication and cleaning. The best is just to use some oil, good W20, spray it on there, spray it on your buttonhole unit there. That's just to release all the old oil. If you push the reverse button, front, you'll find that the back unit doesn't release. So what you have to do is take like a screwdriver, just push it down, and as it releases, it will just become loose again, and you just got to work it in. And sometimes if you're really struggling to get it to run smoothly again, just take a hairdryer, warm it up and work it in. Normally that should resolve your buttonhole or reverse issues with these machines. The whole 2000 series models are sort of known to cause us problems, and just by cleaning the reverse unit you'll solve the problem very easily, and same with the buttonhole unit. Yeah, the problem can even stretch into your zigzag unit. Sometimes it's best to clean it and then to do the settings. Yeah, that will solve it.